Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education, and in this video I'm going to be talking a little bit about StatCrunch. If you're not aware of StatCrunch, StatCrunch is a statistical data analysis tool that is available inside of MyLab Stats and also as a standalone product. Knowing that statistics can be a really hard course for most students, and knowing that statistical software can be very expensive, StatCrunch can really help students understand data, use data, work with data, and do it at a very affordable price. StatCrunch is also very easy to use and includes lots of support. If you go to our resource or support area, you'll notice that we have information for how to use StatCrunch with social media. You'll also have lots of help documents, and there's even examples. So the StatCrunch examples will show you all the different things that you could possibly do with StatCrunch, like simple bar plots or histograms, dot plots, box plots, scatter plots, and so forth. There's a lot of different types of statistical analysis that you can do, and if you're already using a Pearson text, then you usually get the data sets from that Pearson text will be preloaded into StatCrunch that you can use. We also have a large community of StatCrunch users, and they post their data sets, and they also create surveys. You can create your own surveys or use somebody else's. But StatCrunch has even more than just your typical data analysis tool would have. Let's say you want to bring your classroom alive and you want to use statistics. You want to get these students engaged. Well, right now everybody's buzzing about the Winter Olympics. You could just go on the web and grab a Winter Olympics site that has some data on it. This one has some medal counts. And you can just StatCrunch this. This will extract the data from the page and turn it into a data set. From here you could go into the applet area and you could create different types of experiments or games or sampling distributions with the content. Or maybe you just want to go and create a pie chart. So you could go over to the graph area and let's create a quick pie chart. And let's do it by country and group it by gold medals. And then compute. We have now a simple pie chart, and it lays out all the countries and their gold medals, and as you can see it's pretty even distribution right now, and you can scroll through and very quickly we can find that the Netherlands, hey, they only like gold. They're not interested in silver or bronze. But as you can see really quickly, you can take statistics, bring it into the classroom, make it engaging, and as I mentioned before, it's already included in MyLab Stats. And in most exercise sets inside of MyLab Stats, there is a link to StatCrunch to help solve any type of technical problems that crunching the data is needed for. If you want more information on StatCrunch, please contact your local Pearson rep or local learning technology specialist. We're here to help, and thank you again for watching my video.